ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਦੋਸਤੋ। ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਕਲਾਸ 12 ਲੈਸਨ ਨੰਬਰ 2 ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਇਨ ਪਾਈਥਨ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੀ ਰਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ। ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ MCQ, ਫੁੱਲ ਫਾਰਮ, ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਐਂਡ ਲੌਂਗ ਆਨਸਰਡ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ। ਸੋ ਆਓ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਚੋਇਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ, which of the following is an advantages of using functions in programs? And the options are testing, modularity, code sharing, and the last one is all of the above. And the right answer is all of the above is an advantages of using functions in programs. Second question is, functions that are already defined in Python are called dash, and the options are user defined function, standard function, coded function, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is functions that are already defined in Python are called standard function or built-in function. And third one is, which of the following function can we use to convert an integer number to its binary equivalent? And the options are binary function, init to binary function, bin function, and the last one is init function. And the right answer is bin function can be used to convert an integer number to its binary equivalent. And the fourth question is, the dash function can be used to sort the element of any iterable such as a list, tuple, etc. And the options are sorting function, sorted function, order function, and the last one is all of the above. And the right answer is this sorted function can be used to sort the element of any iterable such as a list, tuple, etc. And the fifth one is, we can pass data to a function while defining the function through dash, and the options are return statement, block of code, arguments, and the last one is parameters. And the right answer is we can pass data to a function through parameters. And sixth question is, a dash Python file is a file that contains the definitions of functions, classes, variable, constant, or any other Python object. And their options are library, header file, module, and the last one is structure. And the right answer is a module Python file is a file that contains the definition of function, classes, variable, constant, or any other Python object. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਵਿੱਚ full names of the following Python functions ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ first one ਹੈ ਜੀ bin function, which stand for binary. Second one is oct function stand for octal. Third one is min function stand for minimum. Fourth one is max function stand for maximum. Fifth one is pow function, and pow function stand for power. And sixth one is hex function stand for hexadecimal. Seventh one is odd function stand for ordinal. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ short answered questions ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਜੀ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ first question ਹੈ ਜੀ, define a function, and the answer is a function in Python is a block of code that is created to perform a specific task. It can be written once and used repeatedly. A function is defined with the help of the def keyword, and the examples are def space greet, parentheses, then colon, then print function, and then parentheses open, hello world, then double quote close, then parentheses close. So here greet is a function that prints hello world. So thus function makes the code simpler, more efficient, and reusable. And second question is, what are built-in functions in Python? And the answer is built-in function in Python are those ready-made functions that are already present in Python. We do not need to define them ourselves to use them. These functions can be used directly and make our work faster and easier. And their examples are, the first one is print function. So print function can be used to display output on the screen, and their examples are print, parentheses open, double quote, then hello, then double quote close, then right parentheses. And second one is length function. The length function is used to find the length of a list, string, etc. And the examples are alien function, parenthesis open, double quote open, then Python and double quote and parenthesis close, and the output of the following code is 6. And third one is type function. We can use the type function to find the type or data type of a variable. For example, type in the parenthesis we are writing 10, and the output of the following code is integer, because 10 is an integer type. So third question is explain min and max function with suitable examples, and the answer is, the first one is min function. This function returns the smallest or minimum value from the given number or list. So examples are numbers equal to, in the square bracket, 10, 5, 20, 3, 15, then write square bracket close. And then we can use the print function. Under the print function we write the min function. So min function, so under the min function we write down the numbers. So numbers represent a list which already stores lot of values. So when we use the print function, it find out the minimum number from the given list, and that is 3. So the output of the given statement is 3. So here min returns the smallest number 3 from the list. So next one is the max function. This function returns the largest or maximum value from the given numbers or list. So max function is the opposite of the min function. So let's take a look at the example. So again we are writing the numbers keyword, and then equal to sign and the same list, and then we are using the print function, and here we are using max function instead of min function. So when we run this code, it will display the 20 largest value from the given list. So here max returns the largest number 20 from the list. The fourth question is write the difference between parameter and arguments, and the answer is difference between parameter and arguments are so the first one is parameters are variables that are returned at the time of function definition, whereas arguments are the actual values that are passed while calling the function. And second one is parameter act like placeholder, whereas argument values are assigned to parameters. So take a look at an example. So the function is def space add, then parenthesis open, then parenthesis open, then a comma b parenthesis close, then colon. So in this function a and b are the parameters, and in the next statement print parenthesis open a plus b parenthesis close. Then the next calling function is add, then parenthesis open 5, 3, then parenthesis close. So here 5 and 3 are the arguments. So here a and b are parameters, while 5 and 3 are the arguments. The fifth question is what are modules in Python? And the answer is a module in Python is a file that contains a group of function variables and classes. It is used to make code organized and reusable. In simple terms, a module is a .py Python file that contains Python code. And the examples are, let's say a file is mymodule.py. Mymodule.py file, we write down the code def space greet parenthesis open name parenthesis close, then colon, then print function parenthesis open, in the double quote hello double quote close, then comma, then name, then write parenthesis. Now we can use this module in another file like this. So first of all we are using import function. So whenever we want to add some code from the existing file into our current file, then we are using the import function. Import, then mymodule is the name of the file, and then space, then mymodule.greet, then parenthesis open, then under the double quote write the name that we have to pass to the greet function, then parenthesis close. ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੌਂਗ ਆਨਸਰ ਟਾਈਪ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਜੀ। ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਵਾਟ ਆਰ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਐਂਡ ਦ ਆਨਸਰ ਇਜ਼ a function in Python is a block of code that is created to perform a specific task. It can be defined once and used repeatedly. So types of functions are, the first one is built-in function. These are already present in Python and the examples are print function, length function, sum function. Second one is user-defined function. These are functions that the user himself create with the help of the def keyword. And the examples are def space greet, then parentheses, then colon, then print function, then parentheses open, then under the double quote, hello message, then parentheses close. And third one is function with argument. In these we pass values. And the examples are def space add, parentheses open, a comma b, parentheses close, then colon, then print function, parentheses open, a plus b, then parentheses close, then calling function add, then parentheses open, 2 comma 3, parentheses close. And the fourth one is function with return value. These functions return a value with the help of return statement. And the examples are def space square, parentheses open, x, parenthesis close, then colon, then return statement x into x, and then print function. Here we call the square function, then parenthesis open 4, parenthesis close. And the fifth one is anonymous function or lambda function. These are small functions without a name that are created with the lambda keyword. And the examples are square equal to lambda space x colon x into x, print parenthesis open square, parenthesis open, then 5, then both the parentheses close. So function make the code in Python easier, more efficient and reusable, and with different types we can work according to our need. The second question is write the benefit of using functions in programs, and the answer is benefit of using function in programs are, the first one is reusability of code. A function can be created once and used again and again, which save time and effort. Second one is organize code. Function divide the code into small parts which make the code easier to understand. Third one is less errors. When the code is in small part, it is easier to find and fix errors. Fourth one is easy maintenance of code. If a change is required in a single function, only that part has to be changed, not the entire program. And the fifth one is avoid repetition. Using functions eliminate the need to write the same code over and over again. And sixth one is better readability. The name of the function itself tells you what it does, making the program easier to read. Functions make programming easier, faster and more efficient. And third question is write the general syntax to define a user-defined functions in Python. And the answer is user-defined function in Python are functions that the programmer or user create himself. They are defined with the help of def keyword so that a particular task can be easily repeated. So general syntax of user-defined function in Python are, first of all, the def keyword, then function name, then in the parentheses write the parameters, then parentheses close, then colon, then write the statement or command you want to use in your function, then return value. And the examples are def add, parentheses open, a comma b, then parentheses close, then colon, then return a plus b. ਸੋ ਦੋਸਤੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਮੀਦ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਨਸਰ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਾਪੀਜ਼ ਤੇ ਨੋਟ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ। ਸੋ ਜੇਕਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ, ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਅਤੇ ਇਸ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰਨਾ ਨਾ ਭੁੱਲਿਓ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੀਆਂ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੀ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਵੀ ਹਾਸਲ ਹੋ ਸਕੇ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।